Hello everyone. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has clarified its position on its attendance in Parliament. They have shared the news on their social media platforms and released a statement that said, "The Umkhonto weSizwe Party clarifying its position on its attendance in Parliament." MK Party has noted with concern some mischievous media reports suggesting that we have changed our stance regarding our decision not to attend Parliament due to the glaring election rigging by the Independent Electoral Commission, which led to the massive theft of Umkhonto weSizwe Party votes. We wish to reiterate that our position remains unchanged and that we will attend the Parliament proceedings only based on the outcomes of the court proceedings. While we deeply respect the will of the people who elected us to serve in Parliament in order to change the current neoliberal constitution and ensuring expropriation of land without compensation, among others, we believe that our votes and therefore the voices of all our voters are incomplete. Attending the first sitting of Parliament without all our votes and voices being counted will betray our commitment to the unity and democratic values where every voice and wish deserves to be heard. Therefore, MK Party will only consider entering Parliament upon the conclusion of our imminent urgent court applications, where we will present sufficient evidence demonstrating that the IEC rigged the elections to the detriment of the MK Party and other parties. Throughout the election period, MK Party has stood firm on our commitment to political integrity and expediency. Hence, we cannot stand by while crucial institutions like the IEC are manipulated for political ends. Our resolve remains strong and we will continue to fight for the true representation of our voters in Parliament and ensure that every voter's desire find expression in Parliament. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.